Hi everyone, my name is Scott Tripp. I'm the CEO of Neurai. Happy to be here today. Happy to share you the news for August 21st, 2024 on behalf of Copex, where I'm a core member of this project and so excited for the future. If you haven't looked into AI and the power of AI when it comes to crypto trading, please check out Copex, COPX.ai. Let's get to the news. So as you see here on Bitcoin News, BlackRock dethrones Grayscale, becoming world's largest digital asset manager. 5 days ago, Arkham Intelligence revealed that BlackRock, the world's largest fund manager, was on the brink of overtaking Grayscale in an on-chain asset value. As of August 21st, BlackRock has officially surpassed Grayscale, securing its position as a top digital asset manager in terms of on-chain reserves. World's largest fund manager just surpassed Grayscale in on-chain assets. For years, while GBTC and ETHE were traded over the counter OTC and hasn't yet become publicly traded ETFs, Grayscale held the crown in on-chain assets. However, the landscape has shifted. BlackRock, the global leader in asset management, is now the largest digital asset manager worldwide. By the second quarter of 2024, BlackRock's asset under management AUM soared to an all-time high of 10.65 trillion, up from 9.43 trillion in 2023. In the digital asset realm, BlackRock holds 21.527 billion in net value as of August 21st, 2024. Grayscale's on-chain asset in comparison are valued at 21.457 billion, making BlackRock's portfolio $70 million larger. The shift is largely due to BlackRock's significant inflow of both Bitcoin and Ethereum since launching its fund IBIT and ETHA. Although Grayscale's GPTC and ETHE initially grew rapidly, they experienced substantial outflow once they went public. Since January 11th, GPTC has seen 19.66 billion in outflow, one of the largest investments in ETF history. ETHE has lost 2.47 billion since it went public on July 23rd. Meanwhile, BlackRock's ETHA has surpassed the $1 billion mark in net inflows since July 23rd, and IBIT has attracted 20.54 billion in cumulative net inflow since January 11th. As many of BlackRock's ETFs, the spot Ether and Bitcoin funds are likely to maintain their dominance, and IBIT's and ETHA's lead over Grayscale may continue to grow. I would expect to see a little bit more competition on that, though, you guys. You never know what's going to happen in the end, but congratulations to BlackRock for grabbing one of the bigger bags of cryptocurrency right now at the moment. Now, on West Island Community News, Avalanche Crypto's positive funding rate signals bullish market shift. Avalanche is struggling to recover its losses in the highly volatile crypto market compared to other layer one blockchains. The consolidation of Avax has been slow, raising concerns about its future performance. However, recent data from CoinGlass reveals a positive turn in Avax funding rate, which could signal a shift in market dynamics. In future trading, a positive funding rate often indicates increased demand for long positions as traders are prepared to pay a premium to hold these positions. In future trading, this suggests a growing bullish sentiment as more traders bet on the rise of AVAX price. The shift may be a significant departure from the recently dominant bearish outlook in the market. The current positive funding rate for AVAX indicates that the bullish sentiment is gaining momentum. This momentum could lead to a breakout of if bulls manage to push the price above the critical $23 level. Buyers are hopeful that a breakout above $22.79 will alter the weekly bearish structure. Some investors are looking back to October 2023 for parallels. Analysts such as Dakan on X foresee a potential reversal and draw comparisons between current market conditions and those in October 2023. Then Avalanche price surge from $8 to a peak of 65 by March 18th. Dakan's analysis highlights a rapid price movement of AVAX following long and deep corrections, which typically mark a shift from bearish to bullish trends. Currently, Avalanche is trading at $22.11 and needs to break above its key resistance level to challenge the supply zone around $22.79 and establish a higher high. If the bulls can reclaim $23, it could pave the way for a broader market recovery for Avax. However, a failure to hold above the August 5th low of 1953 poses a risk of a downside move, potentially retesting a demand below 1750 with the next bearish target at $15. So interesting news for Avax. It's definitely on the more bullish side, but let's see where the markets go with that. The latest one, and I want to talk about this afterwards. New lawsuits target CZ and Binance for alleged laundering of stolen cryptocurrency. Binance and its former CEO, CZ, are facing a new class action lawsuit filed by 3 crypto investors in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Washington. Previously, a post of CNF discussed that the SEC plans to revise its complaint against Binance, adding claims related to third-party crypto asset securities. The plaintiffs allege that their stolen crypto assets were laundered through Binance, making them untraceable and preventing recovery. They argue that the platform's failure to prevent money laundering violated the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organization RICO Act. Bill Hughes, a consensus lawyer, noted in a recent tweet that Binance and its former CEO CZ are being sued in Seattle federal court for allegedly facilitating the laundering of stolen crypto assets. The plaintiff claims Binance actions violated the RICO statute and played a crucial role in the legal activities conducted. He's also suggested that the lawsuit builds on earlier government action against Binance, but expressed doubts about the plaintiff's ability to prove that without Binance, the stolen funds would have been recovered. He noted the plaintiff's legal team is experienced in high-profile cases, though he believes Binance might settle before the case goes to trial. Furthermore, the lawsuit compounds Binance's ongoing legal issues. In November 2023, CZ pleaded guilty to U.S. money laundering charges, leading to a $4.3 billion fine and a 4-month prison sentence. As of now, Binance is trading at $554.71, with a decline of 2.3% in the past day and a surge of 4.55% in the past week. See BNB chart below. So as you can see, their market is a little bit volatile, but keep an eye on it. The biggest thing I'm going to say here is if they go after Binance, there's other exchanges that have done the same thing. So when it comes to stolen funds, is this going to set a precedence? And that's what I'm wondering. If it passes in the U.S. court and they get their stolen funds back, then this is going to lead to more lawsuits on more exchanges. And where is it going to lead is my next question. So please keep a close eye on this and let's see what happens. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.